11時30分発のぞみ12号到着です。終席は列車の後ろに1号車から3号車です。のぞみ後の終席は1号車、2号車、3号車です。終席の2号車は1号車と2号車です。1号車の乗ると順東号、名古屋、新横浜、品川に停まります。
On the train to Nagoya. Dave, let me just get a greeting from you.
What's up, buddy?
Where you headed? Uh-oh. What you got? You're not looking at porn again, are you?
Get that up, buddy.
Where you headed?
We're going to Nagoya.
All right.
1 day only.
1 day only. I'm gonna take 6 trip. All right.
Gonna be hot.
Dave Thomas.
終点の東京には14時6分の到着です。
Andrew Dixon. What's going on, Big Daddy? Where you headed? We'll take 6, right? All right, road manager to the stars. Andy Dixon. Wayne Buckner. What's up, Big Daddy? Where you headed, man? Moscow. You're on the wrong train, buddy.
This is not the Moscow train?
No. Not today. But we'll check in with you later. See if you get there. Alright. The Cuba Brothers. What's up, fellas?
What's up, Matt?
What's going on? I'm good, man. I'm good. Where you guys headed today? Nagoya. Can you tell this dude in front of you, Wayne Buckner, that he's on the wrong train? Because he said he's going to Moscow.
You guys are on the wrong train, alright?
Joey, can we get a word from you? Something? Come on, man.
We'll be going to Moscow. But not on this train.
Not on this train.
Come on, I need somebody to get with me.
Are you a Penn and Teller? Only one of you guys talk?
Man, you're not getting with me, man. You know
I
this
can't.
song.
I'm the camera operator.
Buffalo Days. Buffalo Days. Come on.
I don't know what you're talking about. Buffalo? Where the buffalo roam? What are you talking about? Yes. Alchia, are you over here about to start doing some studying or something?
Oh yeah, man. I'm on a legal iPod here, listening to criminal rule statements. A tort is a civil wrong committed against an individual. A crime is a public wrong committed against the state.
That's good stuff. Why are you on this train today? Where are you going?
I don't know. They said I'm gonna get paid if I go this place, so I decided whatever.
Huh. So you just jumped on the train?
If I get paid, man, who cares? You know what I'm saying?
Okay, we're gonna check in with Alvin Chi a little later.
Oh, money motive, right? Money motive, money motive, money motive.
Careful, careful. Hey, this is Claude McKnight. I'm on the train to Nagoya, the bullet train. Got all the guys from Take 6 with me. Got Catherine Meyer, Rudolph Steinmetz, Stempel, and Andrew Dixon, the road manager to the stars. This is just a day in the life of Take 6. Gonna send this out to the fans shortly. God bless and take care.